Good morning, happy Sunday. Today I thought to show you guys a very chill Sunday morning. I am abroad at the moment on my sort of internship type of thing, so I just thought to show you guys what I get up to in the morning, just to sort of rewire my brain for the next day. I just finished showering and I'm gonna do my skincare routine. Since I'm on a vacation, I can't actually bring my full skincare routine, so it makes me want to only bring essentials. I think that's actually quite helpful because it shows you what products you actually need and use on your face. So I'm really happy that my skincare routine now just consists of 3 to 4 products, which is really nice. I think before I used to use loads of products on my face and it just irritated my face. My face is actually quite sensitive, so I don't even know why I forced myself. But you know, like when everyone is using a lot of different products and you're like, oh, I want to try this, I want to try this, but does it actually work on your skin? That's the biggest question. So I've used my 2 serums, and I'm just gonna finish off with my Miracle cream from Revolution Pro. You guys are sleeping on skincare, like makeup brands who make skincare products, because this is really good. Like, I've been using it for a few years now and it's just very moisturizing. It's quite a thick cream, but it still does the job, especially for me who tends to have a bit of a dry skin. This has really helped. Okay, this is a really nice breakfast to have. I'm having strawberry jam and brown cheese. It's like a delicacy in this country, so gotta have it. But it's very bitter, so you need to have like it's like an acquired taste. Like, it builds upon you, because I didn't used to like this when I was younger at all. But like, you get used to the to the taste. So it's time to do to fold these clothes. It's only me that actually takes like ages to actually fold them. Like, I'll wash them and everything, I'll let them dry for like days, which is not a good thing. Not a good thing, but I don't know, it's just tedious. But yeah, I need to remove this one before my sister comes home, because I want to wash some more clothes. I have more stuff to wash. This was all like the white and like light colors, and now I need to wash some of the dark colors and like bed linen and things like that. So yeah, let's talk. Dealing with burnout is never easy, especially when you have it right before your summer holidays. I felt excited that summer is here, but also fatigued and drained to even start planning my summer activities. Then I start doom scrolling just to feel like I'm experiencing summer without having to do anything, vicariously living through someone else's POV. I think sometimes taking it slow, even doing the mundane stuff that you struggle with during this period of time, is the way to relax your brain chemistry and work through the burnout. Hey, it's a little bit in the very late morning, so around like 12 p.m. and I'm going to do some grocery shopping with my sister. We are running out of stock on some things, so we need to get that all sorted for this for the next week. So let's go and do that. So the weather has picked up, so that's quite nice, because it was a little bit cloudy this morning, but it's nice. So yeah, we're heading to the shops or the grocery store. It's not too far away from here, so That is a good thing. I'm currently in the library looking for books to borrow. I'm not quite sure what I should get. It's been a while since I read, but hopefully I can find something exciting. So yes, I saw the Shatter Me series, but they didn't have the first book, so what's the point? So yeah, we just have a look around. Can't really find any books that basically interest me. I don't know. It's very difficult. And this Bible's a little bit difficult to like orientate myself, so